Sun looks in time, light spreads, sunlight spreads in time. Nature is to notice. Nature is to notice its own legislations. Nature moves. Nature moves, neglecting legislations of minds. Legislation of minds are flexible more, changeable more, sprouts, roots of harms more, roots of true love seldom sprout on its shore. Legislation of nature, legislations of nature survive since its existence, and it exists only to give. Legislation of minds, legislations of mind exist not only to give, but it exists also to be exchanged and changed. Legislations of minds exist to be changed and exchanged. Sun, sun looks in time, moon looks in time, dawn and dusk look in time, darkness come in time, sunlight come in time. But for legislations of mind, no fixed time. For legislations of minds, no fixed times. Thank you. See you again. Good day. Tata. Bye bye.